Ay naku, sorry na.
No. Ring.
Saglit, ba't ang galing mo mag-Tagalog? Sino bang nagturo sa'yo?
Are you working, Aina, or you're still students?
Working pala, working.
Anong trabaho mo?
Teacher.
Oh, really? What kind field? I mean, subject.
Like I teach all of subject.
Oh, really?
Send, why tawat? You like to laugh always, yeah. Wait lang. So well, I'm a tutor,
Mm-hmm.
like I private. So I teach private, like so my students are like grade 1 to 6, and then
Ah,
I work at 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. later.
so that's why
Like
Mm.
you said you teach all the
yeah, that's
subject.
why I'm free now.
Okay.
But you have a time. It's already 11:26 in your country, right?
Yeah, 1 p.m. na lang I go to work. Send.
Bakit?
Why you just laughing? Talk.
Ako masayahin kasi kaya tawa ako tawa.
Ay, nako.
Di ba ikaw masayahin ka rin kaya nagpapatawa ka eh. Kaya ako tawa.
Okay, sige. So wait, what about you? Like both of you, are you working?
Yes, I'm
Yes, we
working.
are.
Uh, work from home?
I'm working at home, Aina.
Work in the street.
Work from home. Work on the street. Okay, sige. Good job na lang.
Yes, alam mo yon sa Manila yung nagbibigay ka ng mga sobre sa sakay ka ng jeep. Tapos magbibigay ka ng sobre sa mga tao yon.
Hindi ko alam.
Yeah, alam.
Ba't hindi mo alam? If you watch TikTok, a lot of people doing that.
Ano?
Yung mga tao nagbibigay ng sobre sa ibang tao para sila bigyan.
Hindi ko alam.
Yun. Sideline.
Kabihag siya doon ni Matsusan to eh.
Siyempre, kailangan
Ay,
kumita.
okay.
Saglit, ba't ang galing mo mag-Tagalog? Sino bang nagturo sa'yo? Sino nagturo sa'yo?
Kaya nga, we can understand and
Hmm.
we can speak.
Ako, nagtataka bakit ikaw galing mag-Tagalog, Kaya ako tawa ng tawa eh.
Saan?
Bakit po, Ina?
Kamu, ay nako, I start to talk in bahasa.
Gusto ko rinig ikaw magsalita bahasa Indonesia.
Shh. Ay, wait. Okay, so now I can choose which one to say, like Tagalog or bahasa Indonesia. Wait.
Bahasa Tagalog.
Bahasa Tagalog. Wait lang. Uh, what is the the what is the famous food in the Philippines?
Famous food in Philippines? Madami. Lechon, adobo.
Lechon.
Mm.
I know lechon.
You eat lechon, Ina?
Hindi mo alam
You eat
lechon.
lechon?
Oo.
Muslim,
Hindi ko
hindi ka Muslim?
alam ko lechon. And then hindi, Christian po ako.
Ah,
I have tried pork adobo and porchetta here.
Oh, really? How is it? How is it? Ina?
Masarap.
But it's haram
Masarap talaga.
in other Indonesia, right?
No, yeah, for Muslim it's haram, but
I'm also
for another religion they eat it.
I'm
Because
a
I'm a
Christian,
Christian,
Ina.
so I eat pork. Selamat. It's congrats in bahasa ko talaga eh.
Ano
ah,
yung salamat sa bahasa?
Selamat means congrats in bahasa.
Oh, salamat. Salamat, or is that a silent apple? Wait. Salamat.
Wait lang, I'm gonna type it na lang.
Okay, sure. Okay. Congrats, salamat. Salamat is thank you.
Salamat is thank you in Tagalog, right?
Yes.
Oo, alam ko.
How is it in Indonesia? Thank you.
Terima kasih.
terima kasih.
Wait lang.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Oo. Walang ano man.
Tawang-tawa na yan.
Tawa si San.
Tawang-tawa na yan, no?
Ikaw.
Tawang-tawa na yan.
Ikaw yan. Tawa-tawa.
Tawa-tawa, ikaw.
Kumain ka na.
Ako, kakatapos ko lang kumain.
How can I say what did you eat? Anong
Kinain mo?
Anong kinain mo, San?
Ano, gulay. Rice.
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 Okay,
The
sige.
rest is... Kayo, tapos na kayo kumain? Saglit, si
Di
yan,
pa.
si yan, hindi ko pa alam yung trabaho niya.
Ako, di pa.
Call center ba si yan?
No. No, hindi. I'm freelance.
Freelancing.
Yan.
What?
You want to eat backpack?
I want to
What is
eat quick.
Hindi ko alam. I'm gonna search it later.
Ano ko na lang yan.
Hindi ko alam.
Why are you laughing, San?
Ibablard ko na lang yan.
Naku! No.
No, I'm joking, guys.
Anong ulit yun?
Quick.
Freelancing?
Yeah, freelance.
Ako kasi, may tindahan kasi yung tito ko dito. May tindahan yung tito ko ngayon. Wala
I have
silang
heard
ano.
this one.
Kaya ako yung tinda do'n. Pero hindi ako yung may-ari. Grabe naman kayo. Ginawa niyo pa akong businessman, taga-bigay nga lang ako do'n sa ano, do'n mga sobre do'n sa mga tao sa mga jeep. Tapos si Ina teacher. Oh, wow, mga professional pala 'tong mga kausap ko, eh.
Aha. Oh, sana all businessman.
Sabi ko na nga, hindi ako businessman. Taga-ano lang,
Ito.
taga-bantay.
Yan.
Hindi na.
What time will you finish your work? But it depends on you, right? Like that? Freelancing?
I finished my work this 3 p.m. in this
3
afternoon.
p.m.
Yeah.
Oh, sana all.
Alam mo rin sana all, ha?
Yeah, I know.